Hello everyone, welcome to my daily vlog. Let's talk about environmental awareness. So let's go. Environmental awareness is like understanding that our planet is a shared home and we should treat it with the same care and respect we give to our own living space. It means recognizing that our action like using less plastic or planting trees directly impact the well-being of our community and future generations. Ever think about how we treat our planet? It's like our home and it needs our love. Little things like recycling, saving water, and planting trees are like giving our planet a big hug. Together, we can make a big difference, one small act at a time. Let's keep our earth happy and healthy.